Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube channel disabled. Well, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. The first is going to be by identifying the reason. So first, check your email for a message from YouTube regarding the suspension. It will cite the specific policy violated, like community guidelines, spam copyright, and so on. Then you want to simply go ahead and submit an appeal form. Use the dedicated YouTube channel suspension appeal form, and it's going to be on your email that they've sent you for the suspension. Also, draft the appeal, so do not be emotional, state facts, and be professional. Also, provide evidence if content was falsely flagged, mention scripts, timestamps, or evidence of authorized content. Also, if you know a violation happened, admit it. Explain it was unintentional and outline how you will fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.